Hi everyone and welcome to JR Media. Today I have the pleasure to presenting to you my own car. This is a 2017 BMW M4. It's a competition model, but it's been heavily modified. The first thing you're probably gonna see out the back is the GTS style backlights. You're gonna see an M Performance exhaust that is linked to a Supersprint Catless downpipe. Coming to the side here, you will see a set of Cohiba CVR3 wheels, 9 inches wide in the front and 10 inches wide in the back. Currently still running on winter tires, so we're gonna keep it easy today. Behind we also have a GTS wing, some M Performance stickers, and coming to the front, this is actually where everything starts. The car is running on KW springs and on Eibach adjustable sway bars, but the real treats are waiting for us under the hood. This car is stage 3 tuned, so that means we have hybrid turbos from Turbotechnik Hamburg. We also have a CSF top mount charge cooler and some Mishimoto charge pipes. At the front, you're gonna notice a CSF front mount intercooler as well. We are currently running M5 F10 injectors, and this car currently makes just about 700 horsepower on the stage 3 map, but we're running a stage 2 map with about 560 horsepower. What do you say? Let's check out the interior and then let's go for a drive. The interior is Cohiba brown, and back here you're gonna see that safety has been well taken care of. As mentioned before, the car is currently running about 560 horsepower. That is well and truly way more than enough to take care of the rear tires all the way through 4th gear. Basically you have wheel spin in 4th and 5th as well when you're really on it. So yeah, we're not gonna go all out today. In the stage 3 map, we're running about 900 Newton meters of torque on a stock clutch, and we're pushing the limits of that. So yeah, no more power from this setup as well. But my favorite thing about this car is always the adjustability. I have it set up in M1 as a cruiser, completely quiet, and basically you wouldn't know that it's an M car if you forget the damping. And in M2 mode, the exhaust opens up, the steering wheel stiffens, and basically it's a completely different car. This car has also been flashed with GTS maps, both for the steering wheel, the gearbox, the differential, and the traction control, and that makes a world of a difference. If you have an F80 at home and haven't done that, I will actually really recommend it to you. We're also running an MHD adapter that allows us to track all the engine data, both live and when logging it. So yeah, it's a daily that is pretending to be a race car at times too, with also adjustable pops and bangs that are only here in Sport Plus mode. And if you can tell, the exhaust is quite loud. As said before, this is running an M Performance Catback with Supersprint 3-inch downpipes. That allows us to yeah, basically it can shoot flames. I don't think we'll manage to get that on video today, but hopefully we do. So the biggest difference between a stage 2 car that we had before and after this, we've done the stage 3 to this, is the power delivery. The turbos are bigger, so basically they start coming in at about 3,500 RPM instead of about 3,000 RPM that happened with the stock turbos. But they do actually pull all the way to the red line and make this engine feel way more atmospheric. It makes it feel way more linear, and that is the same thing that you actually want coming out of corners. It doesn't surprise you and it doesn't plateau like the usual stock turbos do. So yeah, it makes it feel like a completely different experience. Very linear, but still with all the turbo noises from the exhaust and everything. It actually is a very special experience to daily drive this.